Let me know, man.
Chris! No, I want him to watch, motherfucker. Mikey!
Good to go?
I only have one.
All right, here we go, Cowboy. Lean back.
Hey,
Now lean forward. Back and forward. Now the tough part, you got to remember all that while you spin around and get dizzy. Back and forward. All right, here we go. Look at him go. Look at him ride. Folks, we have a real cowboy up there. A professional bull rider in the making. Twisting and turning, slipping and sliding just a little bit now. Oh, get back up there, man.
Come on. Brokeback Mountain. Come on now.
I want a 10.
I will. I'll put it on 10.
Alright, I want a 10 to start. Fuck this. Don't lull me into sleep.
Okay.
I want to go.
I'll just jack it up on you. You got it.
But I want to start it at a 10. Tell Pig I got his ass.
Were you riding pig?
That's fucked up, Mike.
You riding pig?
No, I don't just see that. I know what you need to do.
Get that bitch. Get that bitch.
1, 2, 3, go.
Go. All right, here we go. Look at him go. Look at him ride, folks. Twist, turn, slip, and slide. We got a real cowboy, a professional bull faller. Give him a nice round of applause. Great job up there, cowboy.
Fuck you.
You did all right.
You asshole.
You said jack it up on you.
I'm not arguing. I still want to say asshole. Alright,